So in this class, pretty much all of the projects that you work on, we are going to add to GitHub. So you do want to make sure that you have GitHub connected to Visual Studio. And there is, I believe, an add-in that you need to install in order to do that connecting. What we're going to do, or what I'm going to do, is show you how to simply add a completed project to GitHub. And in our lecture demo, if you do not have the GitHub extension, I have a link to it. Okay. So once you've got that connected, in the lower right corner, it should say Add to Source Control. And we're going to click on that and select Git. Now it should take you right into the Team Explorer once you do that. And what you want to choose is Publish to GitHub. Okay, then it should show your account. If it doesn't, you may have to log in. But once you've logged in, you should be good there. It should show your account. And it's got a name for the app. Now, if the name already exists, it's going to give you an error. So I'm pretty sure I already have this out here because this is not the first time I've done this. So I'm going to change the name a little bit and make it unique. And you guys should not make yours private because I need to be able to go out and look at your code. So I'm going to make mine private. Okay, but I do not want you to do that. So once you've got the name in there, you're going to hit publish. Now, the nice thing about .NET Core is when you do upload your project, it actually downloads and runs fine. The older version did not. There was a lot of tweaks we had to do. But this version is kind of awesome because it will work okay. There is only one little tweak that you may want to do. So once it indicates that the repository has been created, what you're going to want to do is log into GitHub. And you're going to want to look at your repositories. And so you can see here is the one that I just added. And the thing that I don't like is that it thinks it's an HTML file, and it really isn't. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. Now, the reason that it thinks that it's HTML is because of all of those CS HTML files. It looks at the number, and it's like, oh yeah, this is mostly HTML. Well, it's really not. So we're going to fix this. To change this so that it looks like it's C# instead, we are actually going to edit the Git attributes file. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click on the edit icon. And then up here at the top, I'm actually just going to copy this right from the notes. So what we need to do is say that CS/HTML linguist detectable equals false, which means it's not going to look at our CS/HTML files. And I'm going to commit that. And that's really all I should have to do to get this so that it reads as a C# file. Let me go back here and go back to all of my repositories. You can see now that it's showing as C#. So what happens if you goof and you want to reload uh, the repository? Well, you can either push the changes, okay, or what may be easier for these first couple apps is to delete it. So if you go into settings, go to the bottom, you can delete it. Uh-oh. I was going to say, what's the password? Oh no. Okay, so I deleted it. And then I actually have to delete a little folder that it added when I published to GitHub. So here's the app. I have to get rid of this Git folder. And you'll notice that it's kind of dimmed, and that is because it's hidden. So you need to display your hidden items in order to see it. But I'm going to click on it and press delete. Okay, so now it is gone. And if I come back in here, may have to close this and open it again. And let me make sure. Yep, still gone. So I'm going to open it back up. And now it acts like it was never there. Okay, so I can go ahead, make whatever changes I want, and just add it to GitHub again. And now it says it's been successful. So if I come out here and I look at my repos, here it is again, and that annoying HTML is showing. So once again, I come in here, edit Git attributes, and commit.